Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change server name on Discord. First of all, you can open the Discord application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the server that you want to change the server name. I can already selected the server. After selecting the server, you can just simply tap on the name at the top of the screen, and after this you can now tap on settings, and here you can now tap on overview in the settings section, and here you can see the option that is first option, that is server name. Tap on it, and here you can just simply remove the first server name, or you can enter your new server name, and after this you can now tap on save at the top right corner of the screen. And it is a way you can change server name on Discord if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.